Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven. So we're going to go ahead and check and see if the roll has risen yet. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and turn my oven on to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it at 350. That looks great. It has risen. It's almost doubled in size, so that's perfect. So we're going to leave it uncovered, pop it in the oven. It's okay that it's not preheated now. It's still going to rise a little bit more while the oven is preheating. And we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. What we're going to do about halfway through, when there's 15 minutes left, is we're going to check it and make sure the top isn't getting too brown. If it is, we'll go ahead and put the lid on it. So initially, I'm just going to set my timer to 15 minutes.